So when we should have the offering afterwards, he said that we were to pray to God. What should we give? And at that time I was thinking, oh, that cannot be much, I'm a student. So I was like, okay, what can I give? I really didn't have any money at that time. I was trusting God for my studies, you know, and I was there, you know, by the provision of God.
Pathianin chungin sumle la win le kha zira Pathianin da min tum torin kabese to panchutya le kha zire chutania.
But you know, in Norway it is cold, so you need some warmer clothes than you need carrying around.
Kan rang chu avot em chu ba chong kor dum hi kan ma chi ni.
And I had like bought a leather jacket that I liked really much.
Ka du em kangai na em leather jacket kanaya.
For a long time, you know, I've been thinking about buying one of them, and suddenly I had, after Christmas, get some money and I had the chance to buy it.
Really, takalo auto chinania, it's on Christmas zawh khani ka hanne leta.
So you can think that what God was telling me to give that day.
Pathianin ahena petura fu chu insha thamai karingani.
Because when I started to pray, I was like praying like this. Oh, maybe God, should I give some of my clothes? That suddenly in my heart, this word hit me like this. Give your leather jacket. And I was like, oh no, God, it cannot be you. This must be something else voice.
You
cannot mean that I should give this. And you know, I was struggling, and you know, I didn't give it that night. So I went down to my room, you know, I was living at the stool, you know, and I was going to study some ethics before the next day classes. But you can think about it. When I opened the book, I was just like thinking about the leather jackets.
I
had to try to start to read over and over again from the top of the side, but just thinking about the leather jackets. Then I said, okay, God, I will go up there now with my leather jacket and I will give it to them. And I went up with it on my arm, and when I come up there, they were gone. And I was thinking, oh, praise to God, He just tested me. You know, I told you that I was going to class next day, but I was also invited to a high school to preach there. And in the early morning, I was preparing what I was going to share with the youth. You know, they was going to have a meeting in the lunchtime. And I sat down with my Bible like I used to do when I prepared, pray to God. And suddenly, only the thing God brought to me was the leather jacket.
Masih hrilh leather jacket pa aron lang ni chuan lo ani.
And I said, oh God, you saw I tried to give it yesterday. Isn't that enough?
Ti chuan Pathianin na lalpa ni bina leather jacket kha pe ka tung to ani lom ni kha atop lo vem ni ka ti a.
Yeah, I know that they're going to have a seminar down in the town, you know. Should I drive down there with it before I go and preach?
Kami ni a kan hun danga hunan mang le do na chuan hun han na tur chu ka sha ka vakalanga ka pedo ni ti ka chong chai le a.
Then God told me, you have to give it to one of the students you are to preach for.
Masih Pathian chuan ni thu isoi na huna zilai pakhat te na chu leather jacket chu peturi mi shita ani.
And then you are to preach about how I gave my life for them.
Chuta chuan ni antan na nun ka pe ta te thu isoi do nya ti mi shita.
And when I sat in the car, I was crying because I get such a revelation about what Jesus did for me.
Ti chuan motora ka chu akal tura ka inwa sai dai chuan ni lali swa Christian ka tan ator na te ka tan na ati te ka ngai to chwa ka chap na sa ta ani.
He was struggling in the Garden of Gethsemane for his whole life. And praying to God, Abba, Father, if this cup can pass me, let it happen, not as I will, but as you will.
Dali iswa kan papa ati chuan he do hian kan san rosity in a chok chaya.
But you know, he had to go that way and give his life for us.
Masingin cross atia kantan atwar ka angai tasi ani.
God, you know, he wanted me to give a leather jacket. He gave his own son.
Pathian chuan leather jacket peturin thoda ani chuan ni afapa ni pe.
That's the beauty of the gospel.
He chanchi chalo tuina le mo so.
And you know, when I come to this place, I was praying, oh God, who do you want me to give this to, the leather jacket?
Ti chuan ko se na tur hun chu ka batleng ta lalpa tunge leather jacket chu petura mi pe si la chong chaya.
You know, I had like a thought that he would be with dark brown hair on my sides, you know, to fit it.
Ti chuan ka lo hin sa vela sam buang tu na pang te lo dia nga ka size vela ni te ka lo be se ya.
And I saw one that could sing a little bit like that, so I asked him to come forward.
Ti chuan thu ka han soi ta ka chuan in kha jacket dom thei tur o mang mi kha ka hoa ka ko ta.
And I took my leather jacket and put it on him.
Ka leather jacket chu ka hak ti ta.
And I told him, this is a gift from me to you. God wants me to give it to you.
Ati na chuan hei hi itana ka thil pe Pathianin petura mi ti chu ati ti ka peta.
And then I preach about what Jesus did for us on Calvary.
Ti chuan ni so Christian Calvary ka kan ta na thil ti te ka soi ta.
And it was a moment when I felt that was so clear when I was preaching it.
Khawuna khanin ka chiang ani.
Afterwards, that kid come up to me again.
Hun kan han so chuan in khano bang jacket ka pe kha ka te na lo kan le a.
And he had the leather jacket in his hand. He said, that was a very good illustration.
Leather jacket ken chuan in a chhale me iron shil fian ka chha ka dil tu aron dia.
And he said, here you have it back.
Hey nei le to lo de ti min pe le de tu ani.
And I said, no, I cannot take it back. God told me to give it to you. It's yours. I cannot take it back.
Masih ke chuan ni lo ve Pathianin petur chi in ti a ita ani do ka la le thei do lo ti a.
In the same manner, God the Father has given us a gift that He will not take back. He's given His only Son to us.
Chu tiang bok chuan Pathianin alam le to lo tur present min pe a thil pe min pe a.
but I believe God have done something in his life.
Khano pang jike tong tu kha intinge awta ka shelo ma se Pathianin anu na na those ka be se.
So I will just encourage you to put your life in God's hand. Sometimes you can ask God what He wants with your life.
Vo India hani Pathianin na inun te kana Pathianin inun te atu na mang turin kasong tu se o adi.
Or it might be someone you can ask, is it someone you want me to bless?
Andi lo de kan kema midang te ta na so turin MD kan ti bi kan to ti te kan Pathianin.
Is there someone that need my friendship?
Tu emoni in ka chia chana ka kong ambe se MD.
And you know, when you obey God in those things, you will see miracles.